Okay, children, now we are going to see the third term, third standard maths. So, unit 1, we are going to see about the geometry. In this geometry, the first one is straight lines and the curved lines. You know the straight lines, what do you mean by the straight lines? And what are the shapes? And what are the pictures you might have seen while traveling the straight lines and the curved lines? Straight lines la neera irukadhu, curved lines la varanju irukadhu. So some of the objects you might have seen in the straight lines and curved lines. Here, draw the similar shapes. They are given in the dotted grid and sort them by writing C for the shapes made of the curved lines and S for the shapes made of the straight lines and CS for the shapes with both curved and the straight lines. So here they are given the some of the pictures like this, some of the drawings. In this you have to write which one is the curved line, which one is the curved shape and which one is the both curved and the straight line shape. So for curved shape now you have to write C, and for the straight line means you have to write S, and for if it is a both C and S, curved line and straight line to say the CS podunga. So I will draw some of the pictures. Then so here some of the pictures they are given. So they're given in the dotted lines. So this is all is in your book only. And this circle, semicircle. So like this they are given the pictures. So according to this you can write whether this will be the straight line or the curved line. This is the crescent moon and this will be the shape. So now we have to write which one is the curved line and which one is the straight line. So this is the straight line, you can put S, and this is straight S, straight. This is curve and straight, so CS. This is the curve and you put C, and this is the curve you see, and this is curve and straight line, so CS. This is also CS, curve and straight line. This is a straight line, you can put S, and this is only the straight line S. This is the curved line and this is the curved line. So like this, if it is a curved one, you can put C, and if it is the straight and you can put S. So S for straight line and C for the curved line, and if it is both C and S, curved line and straight line is same, then you can put CS. So this is the straight line and the curved line. This is in your book, and in this page you can draw on your own some of the shapes, curved lines, straight lines, and curved and straight lines. So you can write. Now you are going to see about the diagonals of the square. In 1.2 we got the diagonals of the square. So 1.2 we are going to see about the diagonal. So what do you mean by the diagonal? That is, diagonal is the line joining the opposite corners of the geometrical shape. So what do we mean by the diagonal? Diagonal is the line joining the opposite corners of a geometrical shape. Okay, so that is called the diagonal. That is diagonal opposite corners geometrical figure. Suppose if this is the square, so square means all the four sides are equal. So this is called the diagonal. In the opposite corners either join பண்றதுக்கு பேர் தான் diagonals. The line joining the opposite corner of the square is called the diagonal of the square. So the square has two diagonals. The square how many diagonals? Square has two diagonals. Okay. Okay. Now the next one is, so it has got two diagonals. What about the diagonal of a cube? If a cube ku ethana diagonals irukku paakalam. So you can draw a cube. You know how to draw the cube? So cube வந்து square shape la da irukum. So another corner la இப்படி ஒரு square போடுங்க. இந்த corners join பண்ணுங்க. This is the cube. Okay. So a cube has, cube how many faces? Cube has 6 square faces because under all the 6 sides எப்படி இருக்கும்னா square shape la da irukum. Okay, it's square faces and each square has 2 diagonals. ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்கொயருக்கு ஒரு diagonals இருக்கும். Each square has 2 diagonals. So 6 squares இருக்கு இல்லையா? So how much diagonals you got? 12 diagonals. 1 and 2 and here 1 and 2. So நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த cube வச்சு பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can get the 12 square, 6 2s are. So diagonals in the faces. So on the faces la how many diagonals? Diagonals in the faces is 2 2 வரும்போது 6 2s are, that is equal to 12 faces. And the diagonals in the inner corner உள்ள இருக்கு இல்லையா inner corner, diagonals in the inner side of the corners 1 2 3 and 4. Can you understand? Here diagonals in the inner sides of 4 corners. So on the 4 corners la ethana irukudhu? That is equal to 4 only. Okay, so appo total number of diagonals namakku evlo kedikuduna, that is 12 plus 4. Total number of diagonals, that is equal to 12 plus 4 equal to 16 diagonals. So in square cube we got a 16 diagonals. Like that, draw the diagonals of the given rectangle. Diagonals. So in rectangle, so rectangle how many diagonals here? 2 we can draw. So all the 4 sides la irukadhu illaya? So how much you will get? We can get here 16 diagonals. How many diagonals will be there? 16 diagonals. How many diagonals will be in? So இதுவே நம்ம cuboidனா இப்படி தான் வரும். So cuboid வந்து rectangle shapeல வரும்போது you will get the 16 diagonals. So how many diagonals will be there in cuboid? So cuboid la 16 diagonals. Draw the diagonal of a given rectangle. So இந்த rectangleக்கு நீங்க எப்படி 2 diagonals draw பண்ணிடுங்க. இது வந்து next how many diagonals will there be in cuboid? That will be the 16 diagonals. And now here they are given the sum of the shape. Match the properties. Match the properties. So match the properties here they are given. First one is a circle. This is A they are given. And second one is the right angle triangle. This is B. And this will be the square. This is C. And this is the rectangle. So here they are given the shapes A, B, C, D. And down they are given opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So which one is? You have to write. Second one, there are no sides and corners. There are no sides and corners. Then third one, sides may or may not be equal. Sides may or may not be equal. So which one is the correct answer? And fourth one, all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal, that is rectangle. You put D. This is the rectangle, so you can write this answer. There are no sides and corners, that is the circle. You put A. And then sides may or may not be equal. This is the triangle. You put B. All the four sides are equal, that is C is the square. So they are given the shape and you have to match according to the opposites properties they are given. And here in this page, the properties of 3D objects. They are given a pictures. That is a blackboard, a wall clock, a pot plant. Okay, pot plant, and then on the globe. Like a classroom, they are given like this. In a classroom, everything they are given. Chair, table, bench, here you see. So clock, notice board, blackboard, a water bottle, table, chair. And then a globe is there, and a plant pot is there, and a trophy is there. So what you have to do now is pick out the shapes with a curved surface and flat surfaces and curved and flat surfaces from the given picture and complete the table. So you have to take down and write curved surface later, flat surface later, curved and flat surface. So from this picture, this is from page number 4. So curved surface. So, curved surface, we got globe. Okay, only globe is there. On the picture, we have to write the answer. Next, flat surface. Flat surface, table, chair, then board, blackboard is there, then duster is there. Then notice board. Then curved and flat surface. Curved shape flat shape curved and flat surface. Which is a curved and the flat surface? Water bottle. Plant pot. Okay. Trophy, chalk, and then clock. So this is the curved and the flat surface. So from this picture we can see the curved surface is the globe, we can write, and flat surface is table, chair, board, duster, notice board, and curved and flat surfaces water bottle, plant pot, trophy, chalk, and clock. And the next one is, they are given the picture. So we have to write how many sides and corners. Complete the table by counting the sides, corners and diagonals of the given 3D shapes. Here they are given 3D shapes. So name of 3D. Names of 3D shapes. Then number of sides. Then number of sides. Then number of edges. Number of edges. Number of corners. Over. Number of corners. Then number of diagonals. So at the top I'll draw the pictures and we can write diagonals. Okay, so here cube, this is the cube. So they given the square like this, then cuboid, then cylinder, then cone, so this is the cube, cuboid, then cylinder, cone and sphere. So here now we are going to write how many number of sides, edges, corners and diagonals. In cube we got 6 sides, 12 edges and then 8 corners, and diagonals is 16 diagonals. So same in cuboid ko ade davaro 6, 12, 8 and 16. But in cylinder we got only 3 sides. This is 1, 2 and 3. No edges, no corners and no diagonals. In cone also no edges, no sides, no corners. Only the corners only will come. Only one corner. This is the corner. So one corner and dash, and sphere nothing is here. Okay. So for cube and cuboid it is same 6, 12, 8 and 16. That is 6 sides, and this also 6 sides. Edges is 12 edges, and this also 12 edges. Corners is 8 corners, and this is also 8, and diagonals is 16 and 16. And cylinder only 3 sides, and for cone only 1 corner. So sphere there is nothing, only a round shape only. So up to this you can go through this, children. Remaining we'll see in the next class. Thank you.